What is the nickname for Texas as a state?
Lone Star State.
Lone Star State.
Big Hair, Texas. I have no idea.
It's the Lone Star State.
The Lone Star State, I did know that.
I know.
The Lone Star State.
There's a beer named after Lone Star State?
Yes.
Lone Star
Star
beer?
beer.
I'm gonna have to try it out.
Lone Star State.
What is the state flower? That's the next question.
Bluebonnets.
Bluebonnet. Magnolia? No. I feel like it should be. It's a bluebonnet.
Bluebonnet.
Yeah.
Okay, where?
Don't pick them.
Why?
It's illegal.
Oh, but they're not like poisonous or anything, right?
No.
Okay, not poisonous. What is the highest temperature ever recorded in Texas?
110.
120.
Whoa!
No,
higher than that.
120? 120 is what I was
Yes!
Oh, probably like 112. Yeah, I was gonna say over 110.
120.
I'm guessing 120.
Yes!
That makes sense.